I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So today I am participating in an awesome collaboration, and I am a part of a group, the Decor Lovers, and we are putting on this wonderful collaboration for the Christmas in July season. And this is not a part of my Christmas in July series, but it is a part of the Christmas in July. And so I'm just going to go ahead and give you a glam tablescape, and I will come back later in the video and talk to you more about the Decor Lovers.
Wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
So if you are enjoying this video and if you like so far what you've seen, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing. I do a lot of DIYs, home decor, seasonal decors on my channel, Cleaning Motivation, and I would love for you to become a part of our family here on YouTube. So if that's something that you are interested in, go ahead and hit that red button. Also, introduce yourself to me in the comment section. I would love to know your name and where you are watching from. Thank you so much in advance for your support.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time.
Okay guys, so today is the Decor Lovers Christmas collab, and I am so excited about it, you guys. So being that it is Christmas in July, I am the host, you guys, because I love Christmas. And I am so excited about this video and excited to be doing this with my girls, and we are bringing you guys some amazing Christmas content, so you are not going to be disappointed one bit. And I would love for y'all to go ahead and subscribe to these ladies because they are incredible. Their channels will be listed down in the description box below, as well as the playlist where you can go ahead and add your videos if you are participating. You can do a Christmas DIY, a tablescape, home decor, clean with me for Christmas, whatever your heart feels, you go ahead and you do that. So hope to see you guys in the playlist. I am looking forward to seeing what everyone does, and thank you guys so much for participating, and thank you guys so much for supporting us during this time.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in
So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will go ahead and visit the links down in the description box, and also add your videos to the playlist link down in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching today, and I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas.